Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a weekly meals video. It's going to be what's for dinner for the past few days. So just some recipe ideas, something really quick and easy, 30 minutes or less type of videos, because honestly, that is my life. I usually have 30 minutes or less that I want to be spending in the kitchen. So hopefully that gives you guys some type of inspiration. If it does, please comment that down below which ones that you guys liked. Give this a big thumbs up if you want to watch more videos like this, and let's roll into the video. Alright guys, so for our first easy meal, I'm going to be doing some thin sliced steaks, a side of mac and cheese, and just bake a few potatoes for us. The kids don't like potatoes that much, so they're really not going to eat very much, but I'm going to have these and then bake them. Alright guys, for this dinner I'm going to be making some beef stew. So I have my beef stew package right here, my meat, some tomatoes, potatoes, and then I actually like to add sweet potatoes to mine, and then I'll also be adding some carrots. So this was super easy. After about 6 or 7 hours it should be done if you cook it on low, which I did just because I had the time to cook it a little bit more thoroughly. There's the sweet potatoes, the regular potatoes, and this is probably one of me and Ben's favorite dishes. It's just really hearty. And that is our second meal all done. Really fast, easy, and then just a side of cornbread, whether you want to make it, or they also sell these in just about any grocery store. I got this one from Jewel because it's really, really moist. Me and Ben love good moist cornbread. For my next easy meal, I'm going to be making barbecue chicken sandwiches with a side of coleslaw. I'm going to be putting some apple slices into this sweet apple coleslaw. And you can go ahead and bake some chicken and then shred it up, but I just ended up buying some chicken from Meijer to make it easier for myself. And I got a couple of different kinds of barbecue sauces, sweet Kentucky bourbon, and then this next one is Carolina sweet barbecue sauce. We like them both, so what I'm going to end up doing is putting the barbecue sauce in here and marinating it for an hour or so, and then I'm going to be putting this Carolina sweet one in this container and then also marinating it for an hour. These kits are super simple. I like that all you have to do is dump them and then mix them. This one has green cabbage, red cabbage, sweet apple dressing, carrots, lemon parsley seasoning, and then I'm going to add just pieces of apple to go along with them. I'm done with the coleslaw and these have had time to sit, I'm going to start with the rolls because they only have to be in for 5 minutes. So this is pretty much right before you're ready to eat. So I'm going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Alright, while I'm waiting for the oven to preheat to put the ciabatta rolls in, I am actually going to cut watermelon because I think that whenever I have barbecue, I always feel like I need some watermelon. Just very refreshing, and I'm pretty positive it is everybody's favorite fruit in this house. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful that color is. This is going to be a really sweet watermelon. And this is the final meal all put together. This is going to be so delicious, guys, and it was so simple. It took less than an hour. It's like maybe 30 minutes or less, 15 to 30. Perfect.